how to enable voice chat on PS5. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how, so without any delay, let's start. For that, you may open up Roblox in your PS5 and you should be finding this. Now once you are logged in, you can tap on the More tab at the very top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the three dot. And once you tap on it, so once you're here, you can just go ahead and then click on the option called settings. Just open up. Once you're under your settings, you should be finding your account settings. Including that, we have this PlayStation network settings. So first thing is you need to go ahead and this cross-platform play, you need to go ahead and enable this option. It is recommended. If it is disabled, just go ahead and enable it from here. After that is done, you may head back to the home page of your Roblox and you should be finding this. Now from here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on options, and after clicking on options, you will be finding this menu. You can go ahead and close up the game. Once you've closed up the game, you should be finding this, and from here what you need to do is go ahead and locate up the settings icon at the very top right in the middle of the search and your profile. Click on it. Once you click on it, from the given settings option, go ahead and click on users and accounts. Just go ahead and do that. And after tapping on it, scroll down and go to the other options, and we have this restore licenses option right under console sharing and offline play. Just go ahead and click on restore licenses. After that is done, just go ahead and restore. It will just take about 4 to 5 seconds for that. Just wait for the restoration to be completed. And after that is done, you will be heading back and you should be finding your game space right on your screen again. Now from your remote, your controller, what you need to do is look out for the microphone icon. And if it is enabled like this, when it is enabled at the very top of your screen, you will be finding a mute option. So all you gotta do is press on it and disable it. Apart from that, what you can do is simply go ahead and press on your controller, PS on your controller. And from this menu appears on your screen. Now from the given menu, select the microphone icon at the very fourth last option. Just go ahead and click on it, and after clicking on it, you can just go ahead and enable this option on. We have this toggle option given here. You can just go ahead and turn this option on, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.